My name is Gladys. I got to know about Power Night through my cousin, Grace. She's a singer. She did not even tell me the theme for the program. She only told me she's inviting me for an all-night on Friday. I wasn't sure I was going to come today, but I ended up here anyways. I came here with a problem. My left eye, I was blind on the center. My center vision was lost, and the surrounding was also blurred. Actually, I did not come here to receive my sight back. I came because my cousin asked me to come with her, and I enjoy watching her sing, so that's the main reason why I came here. But I ended up getting my sight back, and it's by grace. When the man of God called me.
Worship is what's the problem? Center vision is blurred. So hold on. So this one, there's nothing wrong with this one. But this one, center vision. So like you can see me, but you can't see my face. It's all dark and all blur.
I knew this was it because I was tired. I go to pastors, complain to them about it, and they keep telling me it's going to be fine. But my pastor assured me that I'll be well with faith.
What we started doing, started working from the inside. So it's being corrected from the inside.
The doctor told me that the nerve connecting my left eye to the brain is bent.
It's bent. Oh, they told you.
That's what they said.
Who lit that fire on it for it to burn? You don't know who put the fire on it. Is it like it's bent as in it has qua?
No,
or
bent as
fire
in
has bent
shape.
it as shape? We are reconstituting the ashes.
And today, I got it. I received my sight, and I'm very happy that I got my sight back. I really needed it for work because my field of work, I need my two eyes. And thank God today I received it. I'm really, really, really happy. I don't know how to express my joy, but I thank the Lord for restoring my sight.